What's up, guys? I just stopped over here and we're gonna do a little walk around on this car, point out any kind of flaws that I can find. This is a 1988 Camaro. It's a little 305 under the hood, cold AC in this with an aluminum radiator. This car runs and drives awesome. You can check that out on the test drive video. By the end of the video, I'll put y'all on my head cam. We'll drop the top. I'll show you how to do that. But for now, we're gonna walk around this car and point out any kind of flaws. This is a very slick car. One of the biggest flaws I've seen on the whole car is they painted the back window black. You can see it's just solid black. I mean, cannot see out of it at all. You would have to get that replaced. I bet you what happened was it got hazy and they were like, oh, I'll just black it out. I mean, it looks good that way, but I would have definitely thought differently, did something else. But starting up here in the front, we're gonna look around this car. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. Like I said, I try to post videos every day. You can check our website, maplemotors.com. Make sure this vehicle's still available, for one. They go kind of fast up here. It's got a set of riddlers on it. The front end, it's got a lot of little bug spots and splats. For the most part, it's pretty clean. The grill's nice and clean on it. Headlights look good. Very straight car looking down the side. You won't find too many of these in this condition, that's for sure. Disc brakes in the front. Top's in good condition. We will be shutting the hood down before the video is up. Trying to look for flaws here, guys. This car is actually in good shape. So there's a little spot in the top. I'll be popping the trunk here in a moment. Dual exhaust out the back. MagnaFlow. Water spot on the trunk, that should come out with some wax. There's some light scratches and spider webbing going on right here. I'm trying to get close so you can see it. Like I said, that back window, you had a Chevy sticker up here, something going on there. Another little tear in the top. Some of the stitching's coming apart a little bit. This is a beautiful car though. This would be one to keep. It's supposed to have original miles too. We'll get in there and I'll show you that. Go ahead and pop the trunk real quick. As you can see, the interior's in great shape. It is missing the little thing for the seat belt. Goes right there. But it's not all ripped up. Memphis audio speakers in every panel. Bigger ones in the front. Little bass boost. Weather stripping still in good shape. Looking up under the door real quick, just checking it out. Carpet's in great shape. Aftermarket steering wheel. Aftermarket radio. Go ahead and place your bets if you think the horn works or not. I'm gonna go ahead and pop the trunk. We'll check that out. Weather stripping looks great around the trunk. And it shuts nice and easy. It just pulls itself down. Look at that. It's in there now. Well, you've already seen the top. Let's go ahead and put it down. I'm gonna put y'all on the virtual head cam and we'll continue all this up. All right guys, got y'all on my head. Hopefully this works out. Because my phone died, so I can't see exactly what I'm looking at here. Okay, so to open the top, you're gonna slide both of these handles here. It's nice and snug there, sorry. All right, got both of those pulled. Then on the inside here, there's this handle. Making sure y'all are straight. And if you pull it, it should pop that back piece. Did you hear it jump? And it did. All right, now we walk around and throw the back seat forward, I believe. It's been a while since I've done one of these. Okay, see, they've got extra zip ties on there for you to pull. So if you pull this side, that pulls that up. Walk around back to the other side here. You're gonna pull this whole piece up. You can kind of check it out. Looks decent. All right, and then I believe you go down with this first and lay this down on top of it. And it hides the whole top. Definitely a cool design. Let's see if, I don't remember if you put the seat down first or what. We're gonna put this down first. And we'll try to go ahead and close this. Seat back here itself sitting kind of straight up. I may have done something wrong there, but it's all latched in, locked up. Now we'll get back to the regular video. All right, so we got back to the lot. They showed me this bar actually goes in and then that clips down. That's where I went wrong. But yeah, lesson learned. Interior view here. We'll get in here and start it up. And we're gonna try that horn. Y'all been waiting so long for. It doesn't work. Windshield wipers, they do work. I got some cold AC blowing on me right now. The radio does work. So you're good there. Blower motor's doing good. Most of our gauges are all coming up. I mean, I think all of them work. Speedometer was working and it's showing 59,000 miles. I do believe for that to be original, I mean, this car is really nice. So go ahead and roll the windows down. We'll go ahead and shut the hood down. It's very easy to shut down. Not really having to push it at all. It just kind of falls. And it latches good. It lines up nice. It's a good looking car. I am going to give you some undercarriage shots real quick. We're going to try to get on the ground and peek up under the car. Like I said in the beginning, hit that subscribe button if you've enjoyed this video. Also share and check out maplemotors.com for more of our inventory. We post vehicles almost every day and we update every Monday. This one's very low to the ground, so hopefully you can see those undercarriage shots. I don't think I'll be able to get one through my drive video today because it is so low. We might be able to, we'll try. I do appreciate y'all watching. Like I said in the beginning, check out maplemotors.com. Close to 100 detailed pictures, financing information, wheels, tires, parts, accessories. I can also ship these cars all over the nation. We get cars in every single day and we don't plan on stopping. We're a family business, been here 37 years, and I think we've got close to at least 1,200 videos on here. So check them all out. I appreciate you watching. Thanks again.